morning, guys. Thanks for being here today. I'm really excited for this video because I get to talk about a brand new indie brand that is releasing their first collection this month. The indie brand that I'm talking about today is called Painted Phalanges. If that name sounds familiar to you, that's because my dear friend Angie is Painted Phalanges on Instagram. She's been swatching for me for a while and she's been sharing my polishes with you on her YouTube. She also swatches a lot of mainstream collections for you. She is kind of amazing about getting those reviews up for you guys like instantly so you can really see what these big mainstream brands are doing right away, and she's rather fantastic. And when she decided to create her own indie brand, I was so excited to see what she would do, to see what she would come up with, because this woman knows her nail polish, you guys. So we're going to be looking at all 5 pieces in her Halloween collection. This collection is called Monster Party, and then I have one extra to share with you guys at the end that she created for a special event in her life. These polishes are releasing on September 20th at 4 p.m. Mountain Standard Time or 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the website is paintedphalanges.com. Isn't that cute? And you guys are gonna love the labeling on these bottles. So it's very fitting that the first collection for this brand is Halloween themed, because look at these labels. Isn't that adorable? It says Painted Phalanges and then there is a skeleton hand, and it is so cute. This collection, like I said, is called Monster Party. The inspiration is monsters at Halloween time having a party because it's Halloween. It also happens to be Angie's birthday, so of course she's in party mode this time of year. I'll be going in alphabetical order, and we get to start with the pumpkin orange cream in the collection, and this is filled with beautiful gold shimmer. Let me read you the description for this polish. It is called 2319. And she says she couldn't have a Halloween collection without an orange polish. 2319 is inspired by George Sanderson from Monsters, Inc. Remember, he's the guy who gets the sock on him from when he goes to the human world, and he gets there and they see that there's a sock on him, and then they just have to completely decontaminate him, which means shaving his entire body, and this poor guy. This shows how serious they are about not having human contamination in their world. So anyway, this polish is called 2319 after George Sanderson, who just happened to be an orange colored guy. It says this pumpkin orange cream has copper and gold shimmer and was based off the colors in his fur, and it's opaque in 1 to 2 coats. The next polish in this collection is this awesome Halloween green. This is a glow-in-the-dark polish, you guys. This is a jelly base with tons of iridescent glitters in there, and this is inspired by Frankenstein's monster. It's called 10,000 volts. So the description says, this polish is inspired by Frankenstein's monster and the electricity that gives him life. This green jelly base is loaded with lime to gold iridescent micro shreds, holographic glitter, and green glitter. It says that this polish glows very well when charged with a ultraviolet flashlight, but it also charges with other light sources as well. Even if it wasn't glow in the dark, I think that this color is just so perfect for Halloween, you guys. She really did a great job pulling out these super classic Halloween colors that just really put me in the mood. So loving all the sparkle, all the hollow. This one's fantastic, you guys. So I did 3 coats of 10,000 volts. The next polish in the collection is one of my personal favorites. It is a black base with, as you can see, a lot of red in there. There's a lot of awesome things. We're going to get into it, but one of my favorite things about the polish is that it's called Bleh, 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 and you kind of have to say it like that. This polish is inspired by Drac from Hotel Transylvania, and you know how he's always like, I don't say blah, blah, blah. So that's what this polish is inspired by. Let me read you the description. Inspired by my favorite vampire's angry face, Drac from Hotel Transylvania. This black jelly base is loaded with black holographic micro glitter, fiery red micro shreds, and red hollow square glitter. As you can see, as you build this polish up, you're just getting more of that super shiny red and black glitters in there. This polish definitely benefits from a top coat because there's a lot of glitter going on here, but it's just so sparkly, you guys. So loving this. Love that she put a black jelly glitter in here. So fantastic. So this is Bleh, Bleh, Bleh. The next polish in the collection is my very favorite, and this is the purple. I'm sorry you guys, I can't help it. I love the purples, but here we've got orange, green, purple, black, all the Halloween colors, all the boxes checked so you can just have an actual Halloween party on your nails. This is a beautiful shade of purple in the base by itself, but it's also filled with all these purple sparks of color. We've got iridescent glitters, black glitters. This is so beautiful. It's called Flying Potion. Let me read you the description. It says, inspired by the witches of Hocus Pocus, specifically a scene from the first of the movie where Sarah Jessica Parker is flying on her broom. This polish is a muted blueberry purple. Oh, I love that. I love that! This is my new favorite shade of purple, blueberry purple. So fantastic. It says it has a slight curly formula so you can see all of the components, that's for sure. So, so pretty. It has purple micro glitter, purple galaxy holographic micro glitter, and black opal flakies. So beautiful, you guys. So I'm going to show you 3 coats on this. As you can see, like with the black, if you build it up, you're getting a little bit more dimension from the shimmers and all those glitters and everything. So this is Flying Potion. The last polish in the collection is this beautiful light gray. You all know how I feel about gray. This gray though is absolutely beautifully speckled with silver hollow dust in there and blue glitters. It's called Moony. The description reads, inspired by the werewolf Professor Lupin, also known as Moony by his childhood friends from Harry Potter, of course. Angie is a big fan of Harry Potter, something that we have in common. It also says she took a different approach to this polish and used the moon for visual inspiration. So not the actual character Professor Lupin or his werewolf form, but the moon, which I think is so fun. And it totally looks like that when you think about this polish with that in mind. It really does look like the speckled moon. So pretty. It says, this light gray cream has a small blue hex glitter that's really bright, by the way. It's just absolutely gleaming at me. Silver micro glitter and holographic glitter. This one was pretty opaque. You know, 1 to 2 coats. You could maybe just get away with it at 1 coat. Has that nice strong cream formula. I did top coat with this one as well to really help those glitters sparkle. This last polish is a beautiful shifty teal polish that Angie actually created for her daughter's wedding day, and she was wearing it and I was like, girl, you've got to release this polish as well because I need it. You must give it to me and everyone else. It's so, so beautiful. This polish is called Taylor's Big Day. That's her daughter's name. This polish starts with a dark blue base and it has 2 different shifty shimmers in there. One is a blue to green multi-chrome shimmer, which is giving it that beautiful teal. And then the other is like an aurora shimmer that gives you more of that bright glow that's going from a pink to a blue. This is so stunning, you guys. A gorgeous, gorgeous shifty polish. It also has iridescent shifty flakies in there. I'm seeing green, orange, purple, pink. So beautiful. This polish is versatile. You can build it up in 3 coats and wear it on its own, or you could definitely use this as a topper over like a dark blue would be fantastic, over a dark green, a dark purple. There's so many fun ways to wear this polish, you guys. So I'm going to swatch it for you 3 coats on its own and then show it to you on my nails on its own and as a topper. So this is Taylor's Big Day and I'm just so thrilled that she's offering this on the same day that her Halloween collection launches. So don't forget, September 20th, Painted Phalanges, big launch party, big launch monster party. It's gonna be so, so exciting, you guys, and please show up and show some love and support for our dear friend Angie, who's been hanging with us on YouTube for a few years. On Instagram, she's so fantastic. I have met her in person. I talk to her almost every day and she is just the biggest sweetheart and so much fun. So, so much fun, you guys. So that is everything that we have to talk about. Again, all the details are in my description bar of this video if you want to go check that out. Make sure you check out her website, send her a shout out on Instagram, tell her congrats. She just has been working so, so hard on this, you guys. And I know that she's so excited to share these polishes with you. So that's going to be it for today. Thanks for joining me for this video. I love you guys so much. Have a fantastic rest of your day and I will see you back for the next one very soon. Take care. Bye.